What's up guys, today we're gonna be installing Nrg 47-inch harness bar and the CORBEAU 4-point belts. So before we start installing the harness bar, I just want to say that the factory seat and the factory seat belt are the safest way to go because the car has been tested with that setup. This harness bar is universal and the purpose of this video is to show you guys that you can run this one in your GTI MK7. Okay, first thing you gotta do is disconnect the battery because we're gonna deal with the airbags. Remove that little plastic airbag cover, then unscrew that little bolt that sits behind it. And now my favorite part, removing the trim covers. I also recommend you guys buy these metal clips just in case you break or bend some of them. And just when I thought everything was going to plan, I realized I don't have the right tools to remove the bolt. That's why next day my buddy Grigor came over and brought me all the tools that I needed to finish the job. To remove that bolt you're gonna need 10mm triple square. Then I had to lift up the safety tabs and disconnect the airbag. I don't recommend you doing this, but I couldn't figure out how to disconnect the belt from the bottom, so I had to cut it. And once we remove all that, we can start with the installation of the harness bar. The bolts that were provided with the harness bar were small, so I recommend you go to a hardware store and get longer ones. And if you want to put your B-pillars back on, you need to trim them. And before we start putting all the trim panels back on, we need to install the harness belts. And the last thing we have to do is install the seats. I have a lot of new videos coming up soon, so make sure you subscribe and also give me a follow on IG.